Hi class, good morning. I hope everyone is okay. Are you all set to listen to our class for today? That's very nice to hear. Lesson for today. This is for mathematics, and we will be talking about interpreting the GEMDAS rule and performing two or more different operations. Are you ready to learn? Very good. Interpreting the GEMDAS rule and performing two or more different operations. In this lesson, we are going to find out the order of operation to simplify expressions. The order of operation means order in which steps must be done to simplify an expression. These follow rules of each set of operations. Now, GEMDAS stands for G is for grouping. Grouping symbols are in parentheses, brackets, and braces. Now, E is for exponents, M is for multiplication, D is for division, A and S are stands for addition and subtraction. Now, order of operations in PEMDAS. Parentheses, let's open and close parentheses. We have exponent, that's 3 by the power of 2. Multiplication, division. So for multiplication and division, whichever comes first, the operation from left to right. Now for addition and subtraction, whichever comes first, operation from left to right as well. Now let's take a look at this example. 8 plus 2 times 10. Now, in the first impression, many people mistakenly calculate this without knowing PEMDAS, a rule which resulted in extremely wrong interpretation. Now, 8 plus 2, that's going to be, what's the correct answer? Very good, that's 10 times 10, and the answer is 100. But we're using for or looking for the PEMDAS rule. So 100 is wrong. So using PEMDAS, this is how are we going to solve the puzzle or the problem. Now 8 plus 2 times 10. Now observe PEMDAS in this expression. Neither parenthesis nor exponent. What comes next is multiplication. Now for step 2, 8 plus 2 times 10. Therefore, 2 times 10 is 20. Now, step 3 for PEMDAS, addition or subtraction, whichever comes first, from left to right. So therefore, 8 plus 2 times 10 is equal to 8 plus 2 times 10. 8 plus 20 equals 28. That's the correct answer. Let's take example number 1. Now 10 minus 8 divided by 4 plus open parenthesis 7 minus 2 close parenthesis. Now observe PEMDAS. We have parentheses in this expression. As you can see here, yep, that's 7 minus 2 that's open and close parenthesis. So what we need to do first is to minus or subtract. 7 minus 2 equals 5. So our step 2 would be like this. 10 plus 8 divided by 4 plus 5. So our step 3. There is no exponent. So therefore, what comes next is multiplication or division. Whichever comes first, again, from left to right. So that's 8 divided by 4 is 2. Very good. So please look at the illustration. Then, what are we going to do next? So bring down 10. Our process would be 10 minus 2 plus 5. So that's the step 4. Either addition or subtraction, whichever comes first from left to right. Very good. So what will be our answer? Okay. Now follow the instruction. 10 minus 2 equals 8 plus 5. So 8 plus 5 equals to 13. Very good. Did you get the correct answer? Very good. Now let's take a look at example number 2. 3 by the power of 2 plus 2, open parenthesis, minus 2, close parenthesis, minus 3. Now, step 1, let's observe PEMDAS rule. We have parentheses in this expression. So what are we going to do first? 8 minus 2, that's 6. Then, what are we going to do next? Bring down 3 by the power of 2 plus 2, of course, open and close parenthesis 6 minus 3. Now for step 2, we have an exponent. So in this expression, what are we going to do? Very good. So 3 by the power of 2, that's going to be 9. So plus 2, open and close parenthesis, 6, and then minus 3. Now for step 3, we have a multiplication in this expression. So where is the multiplication? Very good. So that's going to be 2 times 6 is equal to 12. So what are we going to do next? Okay, bring down 9 plus 12 minus 3. So for step 4, operate addition and subtraction, whichever comes first from, again, left to right. So what are we going to do next? Very good. So we have to add 9 plus 12, that's 21, minus 3. What is the answer? Very good. Now you're learning. Now we have a learning task for you. Now, evaluate the following expression using GEMDAS or PEMDAS rule. So you have to answer from number 1 down to number 5. So let me just give you a short example for number 1. So again, that's 10 minus 2 plus 6 divided by 3. So what are we going to do next? Very good. So we will divide first. 10 divide 3, that's 2. Then let's copy 10 minus 2 plus 2. Then what would be the next one? Any guess? Uh-huh. Very good. So 10 minus 2, that's 8, plus 2. So 8 plus 2 equals 10. Very good. So that would be your answer. Now let's take a look at example number 2. That's 8 plus 2. Open and close parenthesis. 8 plus 2 minus 9. or minus open parenthesis 9 minus 2 by the power of 2 and close parenthesis. So what are we going to do here? So let's begin first with the exponent, right? So 2 times 2, that's 4. So 8 plus 2 minus open and close parenthesis, that's 9 minus 4. Do you get it? Very good. So what we are going to do next? So 8 plus 2, then 9 minus 4. Okay, good. So we have 10 and 5. So we have to use subtraction. So 10 minus 5, that's going to be very good. The answer is 5. Next, sir, 6, 2, 10. So we'll give another set of examples here, okay? So item number 6. So 8 times 2 minus 4 divided by 2 plus 6. So what are we going to do here? Always remember we're using GEMDAS or PEMDAS. Okay, so 8 times 2, that's 16. Then copy the number 4 divided by 2 plus 6. Now we have 4 divided by 2 first. That's 2. So let's copy 16 minus 2 plus 6. Okay, do you get it now? So what are we going to do next? Very good. So 16 minus 2, that's 14. Then plus 6. So 14 plus 6 is equal to 20. Very good. So this time, you are going to modify true or false. Write true if the statement is correct and supply the correct answer if the statement is false. Okay, so example number 1, that's number 10 minus 4 plus 9 divided by 3 equals 9. So you have to answer whether it is true. If it's true, write true. Now, if it's false, then write the correct answer. So for item number 1, we have to divide first. 10 divided 3 equals 3. Then we'll bring down 10 minus 4 plus 3 equals 9. Okay, do you get it? Okay, good. So the answer is true. Okay. So this is a continuation. You have to answer 6 to number 10. So you will write it down in your math notebook. So as you can see here, this is the proper solution. So in your notebook, I want to see this kind of solution so that we can determine how are we going or if we are going to or if we are following PEMDAS or very good. That's correct. That's the rule.